Hello everyone, welcome back in this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to remove a watermark of CapCut on the CapCut application. So first thing we have to do is open the CapCut application, and now let's check either our CapCut application have the watermark or not. I just click a new project, just a random video, and just click add. To check either our application has the CapCut watermark, I just by slide into the left side until we found the ad, and you can see here there is a CapCut watermark on it. Actually, there is a simple thing to make it or to remove this watermark. You just need to click the clip of this and then click delete, and that will be disappear from your project. But it will not gonna work for every day or every time we use it. So whenever we start a new project, those watermark will be appear again. To make it disappear automatically, we just need to go into the settings and just click a add default ending, and just click the button into off. Okay, so the disabling this button will be shown by a gray color, but if you click it in the green color, it means that the default ending will be active. Means that every time you start the project, the ending will be appear on your project. So you just need to click it and then go with discard and go back. Let's check it. Just a random video and click add. Slide into the left side and find out is there. Okay, you can see here there is no watermark on the project. So that's all the way how to remove a CapCut watermark on a CapCut application. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe me to this channel.